Idukki, Kerala. We may not have heard of this district in Kerala, but now it's all set to represent India's new identity on a global stage. Idukki. But what really scripted this change? Every great journey begins with a step. And likewise, this change began with the voice of a visionary.
और इसलिए हमारा सपना है डिजिटल इंडिया। जब मैं डिजिटल इंडिया कहता हूं तब ये बड़े लोगों की बात नहीं है, एक गरीब के लिए है। अगर ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्टिविटी से हिंदुस्तान के गांव जुड़ते हैं और गांव के आखिरी छोर की स्कूल में अगर हम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन दे सकते हैं, आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि हमारे उन गांव के बच्चों को कितनी अच्छी शिक्षा मिलेगी। जहां डॉक्टर नहीं पहुंच पाते, अगर हम टेली मेडिसिन का नेटवर्क खड़ा करें तो वहां पर बैठे हुए गरीब व्यक्ति को भी किसी प्रकार की दवाई की दिशा में जाना, उसका स्पष्ट मार्गदर्शन मिल सकता है।
Digital India, a program to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. To put it simply, all citizens of India should have internet connectivity, regardless of whether they stay in a metro city or in a village. And to attain this, the Government of India, through Bharat Broadband Network Limited, has undertaken a behemoth step: National Optical Fiber Network.
National Optical Fiber Network is a mission mode program of the new Government of India headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is a mission to bridge the divide between urban India and rural India. We want to establish National Optical Fiber Network connectivity in all the Gram Panchayats of India in the coming 3 years. And generally, India becoming digitally empowered.
Fiber optic is a special cable capable of carrying data at practically infinite speeds. And through this fiber optic network, 2.5 lakh Gram Panchayats will be able to embrace the never-ending benefits of high-speed broadband internet. This is the world's largest rural connectivity project undertaken with the use of optical fibers. And not to mention the great challenge of planning to lay a sensitive, large-scale cable network carefully in densely populated areas of India. This project is a unique model example of center-state partnership. Thus, no state has charged rights of way throughout the implementation of this project. Let's understand how this dream is turning into a reality. Funded by the Universal Service Obligation Fund, Bharat Broadband Network Limited was created to spearhead and plan this mission. The designing of all the electronics and devices is being handled by CDOT and TCIL. While the backbone infrastructure and the electronics that have gone into this project have been manufactured, calibrated and set up by UTL. The entire groundwork, digging and laying of the fiber optical network around the country is being handled by BSNL to connect rural India. But do you know what makes this project truly remarkable? Well, it is entirely made in India. One of the most remarkable achievements under the National Optical Fiber Network project is that Edumalakudi, being the most inaccessible tribal Gram Panchayats of Idukki district in Kerala, joins the communication mainstream. For the first time in its history, the residents of this remote village will get access to the broadband internet and mobile services. Yet, how is Idukki the center of attention as far as National Optical Fiber Network is concerned? And how will it become India's face on the world map? Because today, our Honorable IT and Communications Minister, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, will dedicate National Optical Fiber Network to the nation, starting with Idukki. And from now, just like Idukki, 2.5 lakh Gram Panchayats will have broadband internet access to all, Wi-Fi in villages, e-education, e-commerce, e-banking, e-post and mobile services.
Today, I wish to congratulate the people of Kerala, the people of Trivandrum, particularly the people of entire district of Idukki, the BBNL, the main agency overseeing its implementation, and all the agencies including BSNL who has made its implementation successful. With this inauguration of one district, the grand vision for its success for the entire country has been laid on. My warm congratulations, greetings, Jai Hind.
National Optical Fiber Network, connecting rural India.